Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Trust you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very quality, thick and foamy multi-purpose liquid soap for both commercial and personal use. So kindly stick to this video and watch to the end. Before you venture into production, make sure you have your protective measure available and your chemicals. Now, liquid soap making is a profitable business that can generate substantial profits, but it is important to remember that in order to stand out from the crowd, you must create a high quality product. The high demand for liquid soap has made many people to venture into the business, thereby creating competition. As a matter of fact, some people no longer purchase their soap from retailer, they prefer to produce it themselves for personal home use. So if you want to start the business, you must strive at an unusual branding strategy that will make people to choose your business above others. We are going to make 10 liters of liquid soap. Remember, we shared the water into two different places. So the first chemical we are going to dissolve is our Nitrosol. Now, Nitrosol is a binding agent that also serves as a thickening agent. This chemical is very easy to dissolve in water. It's very easy and it gives a crystal clear solution. The next chemical we are going to add into our production is the caustic soda. Caustic soda is a stain remover and is also a thickening agent. Don't forget that it's very corrosive. It should not come in contact with your skin. Stir vigorously. The next chemical that we're going to add into our production is soda ash. Soda ash is a thickening and cleaning agent. It helps to soften hard water. Its cleaning agent enhances the washing performance of your liquid soap and is one of the main thickening agents when it comes to liquid soap making. Now we are going to dissolve the other chemicals with the part of the water that we shared at the beginning of this video. Remember, we shared the 10 liters of water into two different places. Now we're going to dissolve our SLS. SLS helps to break surface tension. It helps to make sure that the other chemicals interact better with each other. It's also a foaming agent. The next chemical we're going to add into the production is our sodium sulphate. Sodium sulphate is an agent that removes moisture from your liquid soap. It's also used as a filler in your production, and it also improves consistency and it reduces production costs. The next thing we are going to add into our production is our texapon. Texapon is a foam booster. Please, while adding any of the chemicals, do well to ensure that you stir each one that you added very well to make sure it dissolves completely before you move into the other one. The soap making business is one of the most profitable and relatively easy to start business. Soap is an everyday essential product and the demand continues to grow as the population increases. Whether you are looking forward to make bar soap, liquid soap or medicated soap, you can build a successful soap making business with the right strategy and planning. So if you want to learn more on how to venture into the business, I have a class where I'll walk you through on everything you need to know to start your own soap making business. So I combined the dissolved chemicals together and see how foamy the soap looks like. Trust me, this soap is going to be foamy, thick, and at the same time quality. Liquid soap production is a business that already has an already made market for your goods. All you need is to take your product to the open arms of your target markets. Starting a liquid soap production business in Nigeria should be one of your most do's right now, because with as low as 10,000 naira, you can start this business and grow it to the level of your dream. To succeed at the liquid soap business, you will need to develop quality soaps and brilliant scents, then control your inventory and pricing, and market your product. Sounds simple, right? With the population of 2 million plus, I bet you that the market is massive. But however, just a few large brands dominate, and many of these dominating brands are foreign, which means the end revenue or money are taken abroad to the mother company. So this business is a business that allows you to produce your soap right from the comfort of your home and still connect you to potential customers who uses it on a daily basis in a small and large scale. It requires no staff, heavy equipment, or huge funding to begin, and it is a proven and tested legitimate and profitable business for anyone seeking for a legitimate way to do something tangible. One of the secrets in this business is to be able to understand the power of your chemicals or ingredients. It is in bringing these ingredients together that forms your soap for attracting wealth in it. Your ability to identify original chemicals will cause you to save lots of money and stress. How then can someone identify original ingredients? This must be the question going through in your mind. This can only be achieved when you get your chemical and mix them in water and allow all to settle for at least 6 hours or more. If it rises up and becomes very thick, then it was an original ingredient. The joy and excitement that comes to you as you prepare to begin business of rendering quality products and services to your potential customers, plus the fact that you will be getting profits without so much stress, can be so overwhelming that if you don't follow stated guidelines and process, you may end up with products not satisfactory. So this is the end product of our soap. I didn't want the color to be much, so I added a pinch of my color. I want the color to be light, and I equally divided the soap into two because I wanted to have two different colors. So if you have it in mind to have two different colors in your soap, you can kindly divide the soap into two, then add your desired color to your soap. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, you can do that right now. Just hit the subscribe button. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and leave your comment below if you have any question that you want to drop for me. Do not add your previous soap to the new one you are making. Do not add your previous soap to the new one you are making. What this means is that if your previous soap was remaining and you are making a new soap, do not add the old soap that was left to your new one. If you do, your soap will be dark, especially if your previous color was peach and you want to make a new soap with green color. Now, green and peach does not go together. If you do, your soap will be very dark, and To remedy it, you will need to add more water into your soap, thereby making it watery. At this point, your soap loses its thick quality and you cannot sell it out like that. Also, the fragrance of your soap should be pleasant to the nose of your potential customers, such that it's not choky to them when they come close to it. Now, to overcome this, request for ambigo and lemon. Yes, it should be mixed together for you. When you go to buy your chemicals, tell them to mix ambigo and lemon for you. It really have a pleasant smell.